each and every temple of Dakshina Kannada, the coastal belt in Mangalore and Udupi, there is a every year Jatra Mahotsav will be. And in Katil is very what is famous for is the villages Atturu, Kodeturu, two different villages, a seva of participating in Tutedara. It is a apt Tulu word Tutedara. Tutedara means it is a torch, what you can say, and is contain fires. That by using both the villagers holding that torch and throwing each other. But when they're throwing, you might feel that there's some injuries like that. No injury as such, it is a seva. And if there is an injury or small injury, they are not going to the medical shop and collecting an ointment. Only the ointment is the kumkum, because kumkum, as you know, that it is prepared by using the some medicinal things. So just by applying that kumkum, each and every whatever the injury that took place, it will be. But usually no, they will be on after 13th up to 20th. They will be in vrita. They are not taking those who are non-vegetarians. They are not taking any non-veg. They are completely fully in the vrita of Devi. And it is an opportunity to the villagers to perform seva in this annual Jatra Mahotsava.
In the Dakshina Kannada district, this is the very famous temple. It is located in the middle of the river. This temple name is Katilu Sri Durga Parameshwari temple. In this temple, in the month of April, there will be the annual Utsava will be holding on. So in that, from 13th onwards today till today, the Utsava will going on. In this annual function, there is one most famous one function is there. It's called Tutedara in the Tulu language, but we can say it as Agni Keli, fire on the firefighting. This firefighting is held in between the two villages, like called Atturu and Kodeturu, and two villages people are participating in that Agni Keli. They were believing that while we are practicing the Agni Keli, they will release their papa or sins, and they are believing that the God will protect us. So they were participating in that and taking the blessings of the goddess. This is holding so many years from this temple. It is Sampradaya of the Katil Durga Parameshwari temple also. It's like so many peoples in like we are up to now we got totally more than 500 people who are participating in Agni Keli, so it is very famous, and for that seeing so many people are coming to this temple and taking the blessings of the goddess. Thank you.